So Pixel this morning came out of the cage and he bit me right on the nose, right here where it really hurt. And took everything I had just to gently put him back in the cage and not react, because the more that you reinforce their biting behavior by yelling ow or something, the more they do it because they get a reaction out of you. Yeah, now you're being cute. Now you're being really cute. Look at this. They think they're all cute and then they just go bite the shit out of you randomly. Oh, I'm apparently not supposed to curse on YouTube. Uh-oh. I have to bleep that part out. They're pretty content right now. They've had a lot of playtime today. Pixel's had a lot of exercise flying. Kiwi likes to take his little bird kibble, his pellets, and chew on them outside of his cage. So that's what he's doing right now.